Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI image to video option. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Vidnoz website and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to go to the option which is called AI tools option. And then we have to go to this option which is called AI image to video. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we will be redirected to the new window. So as you can see now we are here. Now here's an option for the image to video or the text to video. For example, I want image to video. So let's click on the image. And now we have to choose the image, which image we want to upload. So for example, I'm going to upload a different image here. So let's choose this image. Or for example, I'm going to choose this image here. And now simply we have to click on the generate video. And after clicking on the generate video, it will take few seconds or the few minutes in generating your video. As you can see, currently it's analyzing the image. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So in this way you can create your video. In this way you can generate a video from image and the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.